certain information must be entered in the purchases journal as indicated by the column headings. First, you record the date of the invoice. In our example, the date is February 16th, 2005. The vendor account number represents the number your company has assigned to that vendor. Next, enter the total amount of the invoice as a credit to accounts payable, since this is the amount you will be paying to the supplier. The balance of the information on the purchases journal is used to distribute the amounts on the invoice to the proper general ledger accounts. Each invoice received from suppliers is entered in the same manner, and you must locate the required information on the invoice and enter it into the purchases journal. Each invoice entered in the purchases journal must be in balance, which means the total of the credits must equal the total of the debits. At the end of the month, each column of the purchases journal is totaled, and the total of all the debits must equal the total of all the credits. This ensures the journal is balanced before the totals are posted to the individual general ledger accounts. In a similar manner, the sales invoices are entered into the sales journal. The date of the invoice is entered, and your company, using a series of alphanumeric numbers appropriate for that customer, assigns the customer's account number. The total amount of the invoice is debited to the accounts receivable column. The total of all the debit columns must equal the total of all the credit columns. At the end of the month, the journal is balanced and the totals of the columns are posted to the individual general ledger accounts. The cash receipts journal records the cash received from customers and from other sources, such as interest and dividends and other types of revenue. As receipts or payments are received by the company, they're entered into the cash receipts journal using the date they were received, not the date of the check or date the entry was made. At the end of the month, the cash receipts journal is balanced and the totals are posted to the individual general ledger accounts. The cash disbursements journal records the payments made by the company for amounts owing to vendors and other creditors. Just as the cash receipts journal consisted of many columns, so does the cash disbursements journal. At the end of the month, the journal is balanced and the totals are posted to the individual general ledger accounts. In the task, you will examine the 4 different types of journals.